In this video, I will be demonstrating the correct step-by-step testing methods for level 4 pureed food. The emphasis at this level is on smoothness and the correct thickness. There should definitely be no lumps. You can bulk puree up with calories using full cream milk, cream, avocado, sweet potato, ground nuts. Try not to puree with just water to avoid losing nutritional value. Concentrate on how it looks. You can layer, pipe, mould, as well as nice strong flavours. Food at this level will need to be eaten with a spoon without having to bite or chew. For this test, spoon the mixture onto the fork. The puree should sit in a mound on the fork, hold its shape and not drip through. Also, if you draw your fork across the top of the puree, the fork should leave its mark. Food at level 4 should hold its shape on a spoon. When you tilt the spoon, however, it will slide off to show it's not too sticky. There should be very little left on the spoon. So the food must pass all the tests before being served. If you like this video, you may like our Facebook page. We post regular updates on our training courses and we share lots of useful and interesting information such as patient stories and recipes that pass these IDDSI tests. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Or send us an email at dhc.dysphagiatraining@nhs.net.